Today is a festive day for 1.45 billion Indians. It is the 75th birthday of our most respected and beloved Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. On behalf of the entire business community of India, on behalf of the Reliance family, and on behalf of the Ambani family, I convey my heartiest felicitations to Prime Minister Modi ji. It is not a coincidence that Modi ji's Amrit Mahotsav is coming in Bharat's Amrit Kal. It is my deepest wish that Modi ji should continue to serve India when independent India turns 100. Jivit Sharda Shatam Param Ardarniya Narendra Bhai. God Almighty Himself has sent Modi ji as an avatar Purush to lead our motherland to become the greatest nation on earth. It is my good fortune that I have known him closely for more than 3 decades. I have never seen a leader who worked so tirelessly for a better future for India and Indians. He first transformed Gujarat into an economic powerhouse. Now he is transforming the whole of India into a global superpower. I join all my 145 crore fellow Indians in wishing our Prime Minister a happy birthday and praying for his continuous good health. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hind.